Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, I'll be giving you what will happen this week on Scheme SAM. Monday, 2nd June 2025. Alfred uses Paxton to score some cheap points. Thomas shows no remorse for what he did to Mapiti. Dr. Blue let Lehasa in on her thoughts. Tuesday, 3rd June 2025. Pretty's on the right track with work choices, while second-guessing some personal choices. Mapiti is left utterly shocked by Tibo's revelation. Wednesday, 4 June 2025. Mickey fears Tibo's decision about his marriage may be a mistake. Lehasa plots his revenge against those responsible for his hospitalization. Thursday, 5 June 2025. Mapiti is willing to do whatever it takes for her to save her marriage. Lehasa aims to get rid of his enemies without resorting to violence, but Greg disagrees. Celia's aunts drop a bombshell on Alfred. Friday, 6 June 2025. Alfred is determined to confront Celia, but a shocking revelation leaves him devastated. Brassax put Pavarotti on an ultimate test. Mapiti confronts the harsh reality of her downfall. Thank you very much. That was all until we meet in my next video.